channel, and on this video we're going to be talking about how to professionally remove background from any image at all. Alright, now you don't need any previous skill or knowledge on graphic design to do this. It's a simple step, alright, and you won't need knowledge in Photoshop or any of this software to do this particular job. Alright, and at the end of this video I'm also going to be teaching you how you can generate money in this using this singular skill on Fiverr. Alright, you can generate lots and lots and lots of money with this singular skill. Alright, so let's quickly dive into what we have. But before we do, I would like you to subscribe to my channel and hit the notify me button so that you get notifications whenever I release new videos, because I make videos on making money online, I make videos on cryptocurrency, I make videos on digital skills and all of that. So feel free to subscribe to my channel, and of course comments on the comment section below. If you have any question or you want any video you recommend that I do, please feel free to recommend or suggest any video on the comment section. Alright, let's quickly dive into it. Alright, we're going to be using a website. I'm going to be recommending a website for that. Now you don't need any, like I said previously, you don't need any knowledge on design, you don't need any knowledge on Photoshop, because we're not going to be using all of that. Alright, we're going to be using a website called remove.bg. Alright, remove.bg. Please don't skip any part of this lesson, because if you miss any part of this lesson you might not really understand it. Alright, so feel free to watch to the end and see how I did it. Alright, this is a website I'm recommending for you. Even if you're a graphic designer, even if you know how to use Photoshop, you can go ahead and still use this, because it makes your job very fast. Alright, you don't need to go to Photoshop and start removing background, using the tools, using that one. So you need to just go to remove.bg and you can get the background removed in few steps. Alright, as you can see, this is it. You might not need to log in. It's as simple as this. You might not need to log in. You just go to this place. As you can see, upload image, you click on it, it takes you to your computer. Okay, now let me choose one of these images. Let me choose this one. I choose this. I want to remove this background. I open it. Alright, it's loading. In a few minutes this background will be removed completely. Wow, you can see that. So you can just go ahead and download, click on the download button here, and automatically it will start downloading. Of course I have my download and my downloader. Alright, it is downloaded automatically. Let's go and view this image. Let's go and view it in downloads. Right, let's go and view it. As you can see, the background is automatically removed. So this can actually make your job very easy and fast. So you can go ahead and use this tool and do what? Remove every background that you need in your image and start your design immediately. You don't need to use Photoshop, you don't need to use all these softwares to do that. Alright, then let me show you something that might interest you. Alright, go to fiverr.com. Alright, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright, and leave a comment below if you have any question. Alright, okay, fiverr.com. Now let's search remove background. Remove background from image. Let me show you something that is amazing. Okay, look at this. A lot of people are offering this same skill. Now you can offer this skill to many e-commerce stores, because a lot of them wants to remove the background for their products. Alright, as you can see on Fiverr, a lot of people are offering this service. As you can see, this is 28,113 people offering this same service just to remove background. Alright, this one said I'll remove background from image. Alright, and he's charging $5 for it. Alright, this one says I would add or remove objects, people from photo, image, picture, blah blah blah. Alright, so you can see people offering this thing, and this person has gotten over 294 people that he has done this job for. This one has gotten over 184 people. So if you can begin to calculate $5 times 294, you will see how much this person has earned in this singular skill. Alright, so you can go ahead and register on Fiverr, because I'll be making a video on how to register yourself as and start delivering services on Fiverr on our next video. But you can go ahead and just register and begin to make money using this singular skill. Just go ahead and go to remove.bg. You can do this on your phone, and of course they have an app. You can go ahead and download their app on your mobile phone and use it. It's as simple as this. Alright, okay, so guys, this is it for this. Alright, see you on our next video. If you found this video very useful, please like this video, because what it will do is it will recommend, it will allow you to recommend this same video to other people, so that they can watch it and get useful content like this. And of course, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please try and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button, so that you get notifications when I make new videos. Don't forget, I make videos on digital skills, I make videos on cryptocurrency, I make videos on any online skill at all, making money online and all of that. Alright, so see you on our next video. Thanks so much for watching.